Hello dear students, today we are going to start chapter 12 area related to circle. You already know that if the radius of the circle is r, then the area of circle is pi r square, where pi is 22/7. And approximately we can take the value as 3.14 if it is given in the question. Otherwise we have to take pi 22/7. And the perimeter of the circle, which is called circumference, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And we know that if the diameter is d, then diameter d is 2r. So instead of r, if we write d/2, then the circumference will be, instead of r, if we write d/2, then circumference of the circle will be pi d. So sometimes we use this formula also. Okay. So using area of circle and circumference of circle, you can do exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1 is based on these two formulas only. Okay. So exercise 12.1, first problem. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. So two circles are given to you and the radius of first circle is 19 centimeter and the radius of second circle is 9 centimeter. We want to find radius of another circle whose circumference is equal to sum of circumference of two circles. So let the radius of first be r1, radius of second be r2. Let the circumference of first circle c1, circumference of second circle c2, and let the radius of third circle be r, whose circumference is sum of circumference of the two circles. So here we can write circumference of circle. We know that the formula is 2 pi r. For c1 it is 2 pi r1 and for c2 it is 2 pi r2. So we can easily take 2 pi common and we can cancel it. Okay. So here cancelling 2 pi from both sides, we get r is equal to r1 plus r2. So the radius of new circle, whose circumference is sum of circumference of other two circle is this. Radius is 19 plus 9. 28 centimeters, the radius of new circle. I hope it is clear to you. This is exercise 12.1, problem number 3. Here the figure depicts an arbitrary target mark with its 5 scoring region centered towards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score, that is this region. The diameter is given 21 centimeter. So obviously radius of the first circle is 21/2, that is 10.5 centimeter. And each of the other band width is given 10.5 centimeter. So here the band width is 10.5 centimeter, each band width. Find the area of each 5 scoring region. So we have to find area of gold region, area of red, blue, black and white region. Okay. So here first of all the radius of the gold region, that is the first area of gold region is area of circle, that is pi r square. So pi r1 square. So pi, the value of pi 22/7, r is 10.5, the whole square. When you calculate this, you will get this as area of gold region 346.5 centimeter square. Okay. And here next is area of red region. So for the area of red region, we have to calculate the radius of red second circle. So here the radius of second circle R2 is R1 plus the width, that is 10.5. So 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21 centimeter. Similarly, you can find the radius of third circle, that is 21 plus the width, that is 31.5 centimeter. R2 radius of fourth circle, first, second, third, fourth circle is 31.5 plus the width, that is 41.5 centimeter. Okay, sorry, adding this will get this 42 centimeter. And radius of the fifth circle is radius of fourth circle, that is 42 plus the width, that is 52.5 centimeter. So area of red region is area of second circle minus area of first circle. So that is pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. So take pi common, R2 square minus R1 square. When you put the value and calculate, you will get the answer. Okay. Similarly, for the next region, that is area of blue region. For blue region, it is pi R3 square minus pi R2 square. In this way, you can calculate all the region area. So this is fourth question of exercise 12.1. The wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each make how many complete revolution does the wheel make in 10 minutes? Here the diameter is 80 centimeter, that is the radius is 40 centimeter. When the car traveling with the speed of the car is given 66 kilometer per hour. We know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So here the distance covered is 66 kilometer in 1 hour. 66 kilometer per hour means distance covered 66 kilometer in 1 hour. In one revolution, the wheel complete 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of circle, and that is the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. So distance covered by wheel in one revolution is equal to circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 40. So this is the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. Okay. In one revolution. So now total distance covered in 1 hour is given 66 kilometer, but we want to find distance covered in 10 minutes. Okay. So what is the distance covered in 10 minutes? Distance covered in 10 minutes is equal to distance covered in 1 hour 66 into 10 divided by 60. Okay, so that is 11 kilometer, 11,000 meter. If we calculate this in meter, here the radius is given in centimeter, and so it is here 40 centimeter. So now we will calculate the number of revolution. So now number of revolution in 10 minutes is equal to total distance covered in 10 minutes, distance covered in 10 minutes divided by circumference of circle 2 pi r. So that is equal to distance covered in 10 minutes, we have calculated 11 kilometer, that is 11,000 meter, converted into centimeter, so into 100. And circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We have already calculated. Radius is 40. Okay. After putting the value, you will get 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are. So 2 500 and 4 2s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2. And when you multiply this by 7, and you will get 4375 revolution. So the number of revolution is this 437. So solve exercise 12.1 and let me know if you have any doubt. In the next class we will start 12.2.